Graph the equation y equals log base 2 of x plus 1. In order to draw the graph of a logarithmic function, the first thing you should locate is the vertical asymptote. And this right here, the argument of your logarithm, locates that vertical asymptote. So your vertical asymptote, if you just take that argument and set it equal to 0, that'll tell you where it is. In this case, there's a vertical asymptote right at 0. Okay? Now, 1 unit in front of the asymptote, which normally is on the x-axis. There's this point that's kind of a point of interest for logarithms. But it could get shifted up or down, and in this case it did. This is a vertical shift. So everything's going to get shifted up 1 unit. So this point that should be right here gets moved up to right here. Okay, so there's a point on our graph. Now, the next point that's on the graph comes from knowing the base of the function. It's kind of like slope, but not really. If it's base 2, you can always count on effectively going up 1 and over 1 to get the next point. If it was base 3, you would go, you would change and go 2 units instead of 1. But it's always going to be base 2 in this class. So what you're going to do is then just sketch in the logarithmic shape as best you can. Remember, it stretches all the way down to that asymptote and then out toward infinity.